Okie doke. So I have been busting butt all day again today. Amazing how quick the days are going. There's just a lot to do and not enough time. But yeah, I've got most of my stuff out of here. Still have some things to do. Gotta clean the bathroom. I do have to take some stuff back to storage. Thought I was all done with that, but I'm not. But anyway, so here's the car. So 2021 Toyota Highlander. It is jam-packed. So this is my little sleeping area, which I can put stuff in here during the day. And I probably will move stuff over just to kind of even out the load on the car. I mean, I can tell just standing back here that it's kind of listing to the left because there's a lot of weight on the left side. So basically got the, back this off, got the stand-up paddleboard, briefcase under there is my traveling office, got my knee pillow, my neck pillow, my pillow. That's just for when I'm sleeping in the car. I obviously won't take that when I'm camping. I got backpack, my sleeping bags under there. Down below that is a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket and a 3-gallon water jug. Footwear. This is cordage. This is my just backpacking backpack. These are actually custom shades for the car. They're like customized for every single window. So if I want to sleep in the car and have privacy, I can have that. I got my trekking poles, my paddle for my paddleboard, a bird book. Got another book up in the door up there. And I did a little, I got a bunch of resistance bands in there for working out, a little brush for just keeping things clean, towels and bedding under there, daily camp gear. It's for like just setting up my camp every day, when I'm camping out near the car. This is my bathroom, like hygiene setup, kitchen. Safety gear, hiking gear, stuff like that. This is actually my going to the bathroom bag out for when I'm out in the wilderness, where you're supposed to go out and like dig a hole. And anyway, I don't need the details on that, but there's a medical kit in there, and then in here, let's see. So a cooler here, that's like a bear-proof cooler. I've got a Jackery power cell there, which actually got quite a bit of power in it. So if I want to like run electrical stuff, it's on battery power. This is all my tech gear. My day bag will go in here, like just for my little knapsack for walking around and stuff. Got a bunch of stuff in there, sunglasses and harmonicas and things like that. And then still, like I say, it is pretty jam-packed. I've still got stuff that needs to go in there. So somehow I've got to fit this in there. These are tools. I'm going to be doing a little home improvement when I'm up in New York, helping out my uncle. So there's actually about 40 to 50 pounds of tools in those things. So 40 to 50 pounds and 2 cubic feet of volume. I'd like to, I think once I'm done up in New York with those, I'm just going to ship them out to Colorado. And then in here, so that's my day bag. That'll be in my passenger seat. Computer, little ukulele, and that is actually a bear container, but I just don't think I have room for that. I do have like a dry bag that I can hoist up into a tree, and for both my food and my garbage. Two really good dry bags that I can hoist up, and then also that kitchen box that I have out there is sealed. So, you know, I've got some plans in place for that, but I'll probably have to, I gotta clean the bathroom still. I've got to, probably gonna probably gonna unpack some stuff at some point when I get up to either Tennessee or New York. I imagine I might be divesting myself of some things, but for right now, I've got room in the car, and if I, as I figure out what I really need and what I don't, I'll be unloading some stuff to make more room. But yeah, so there it is. I'm almost there, getting real close, leaving first thing in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, I definitely have to rebalance this stuff. So once I'm underway, I can just move some of this stuff over to try to redistribute weight in here a little more evenly, just for better driving experience. But all right, so there we go, and that's it for now, and we'll see you on the road, and happy adventures to me.